Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Lift Your Spirit Dips. Now the three colors shown here are part of the Christmas Masquerade Ball Collection, and that collection consists of 21 beautiful dips. Now the first color here is called Velvet Kisses, and it is a beautiful, rich, dark purple, and it has me thinking of crushed velvet, and it's super pretty. Now this collection comes in 21 different colors, and the jars here are sample sizes, and you can get the samples or the 0.25 ounce jars. Now this color here, Scent of Spruce, is a beautiful dark hunter green with a hint of shimmer. And then the next one here is called Frosty Soiree, and this is a beautiful, unique, fine glitter. It is stunning. It has silver, pinks in there, and like some kind of teal in there. It's super pretty, and I really like that pop of silver in there. It really makes that glitter pop. So here are the three colors that we're going to be using in today's mani. We're going to be creating a simple New Year's Eve mani with just a pop of glitter. We are going to be making press-ons today, and we will be doing the gel method. So this collection here, like I said, it has 21 amazing colors in it. The collection is beautiful, and don't let the Christmas word in the collection change your mind, because these colors are perfect for all year long. They are great staple colors. They're beautiful. They're unique. They consist of solids, shimmers, glitters, and there's even some UV changers in there, which are simply beautiful. So definitely after this mani, head over to Lift Your Spirit Dips. I will link all the information in the description box below so you can see all these beautiful colors. Now check out Velvet Kiss, how pigmented it is with just one dip. It's not patchy, it's not chalky or anything like that. It's just that rich, beautiful, velvety purple, and I really like this color. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super simple and elegant for a New Year's mani, and yet it still has that twist of sparkle, and I really like how these three colors work together. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to create your own custom set of press-ons at home, and I'll see you in the next upload.